Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a practical canvas size like 1280 x 1280 so proportions stay consistent. Open your Gacha PNG base and place it on the top layer, then lock transparency on color layers so painting stays inside the lines. Once done, create and name separate layers, linear, base color, shading, and effects, so you can edit non-destructively. Make sure brush settings are predictable. Set stabilizer to 410. You now flatten a color scheme by blocking in flat colors on separate layers so you can change hues quickly. Then apply shadows using a clipping mask and a multiply layer. Add highlights on a new clipping layer set to add or screen for clean light. Once the values read well, refine edges with smudge and a small eraser. Also vary brush opacity to blend softly. Make sure to zoom to around 200% for hair and accessory details to avoid muddying textures. You finish by adding rim light and small particle effects on an overlay or add layer to make the character pop, then fine-tune overall contrast with a curves or brightness layer. When satisfied, export as PNG at 300 dpi or resize to the Gacha app dimensions and save an alternate. Web for smaller file size. If something goes wrong, like jagged lines or odd colors, re-enable your stabilizer, redo problem strokes on a new layer, and use the history brush to restore clean areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.